Thoibi, 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 Thoibi. Kissing valley of Manipur, a girl walks with dawn. Her steps keep time with the earth's own song. Her beauty is not chance, not ornament, not noise. It is memory breathing through soil, through song, through voice. You are my girl, girl of my dream. Not distant, not imagined, but real as the valley that breathes you. Sunlight rests upon your skin like land that raised your breath. Almond eyes hold older roads than maps, than words, than steps. Your smile comes without asking, your laughter knows its place. A beauty shaped by harvest fire and evening shared and ethereal. I am quietly crazy on you, not a fire that consumes, but a watchful moon I follow not to own, but to understand you. You made me crazy, I've gone crazy. I watch in quiet wonder, your presence calls my name. You arrive without demand, beauty learned through patience, resting gently in your hand. Meitei beauty, the beauty of valley. The hills watch as your beauty, the birds sing, but the sky walks. It moves as you move, echoing dance, taught by earth before language. Thoibi, Thoibi. You made me crazy, I've gone crazy. I watch in quiet wonder. Your presence calls my name. Thoibi, Thoibi. You arrive without demand, beauty learned through patience, resting gently in your hand. You are the flower of my land, blooming once among high winds, revealed by patient valleys. I cannot unsee you, because beauty like yours is made of presence. You made me crazy, I've gone crazy. I watch in quiet wonder, your presence calls my name. Thoibi, Thoibi. You arrive without demand, beauty learned through patience, resting gently in your hand.